Today, we're recreating this awesome fox-style animation completely inside DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. Start by dragging a Fusion composition onto your timeline. Then open the Fusion page. Add a background node and connect it to Media Out. Now import your PNG image and add a transform node. Scale the image until it fills the frame nicely. Next, add a rectangle mask and resize it so it only covers the character's head. Now copy this entire node setup, paste it, and connect the duplicate to Media Out. Select the new rectangle mask and enable invert. Now the full image is visible, but it's split into two separate layers. Add another transform node to the duplicated layer. You'll notice a small gap between the two image pieces, creating an ugly line. To fix it, select the first transform node and slightly adjust the Y position until both halves line up perfectly. It should look like one seamless image. Now, select the second transform node and rotate it slightly to create that dynamic fox-style effect. Next, import the DaVinci Resolve logo. Add a transform node, resize it, and position it where you want. Repeat the same process for the rest of your logos. Once everything is placed, delete the unnecessary merge node and reconnect the transform node so Fusion automatically creates a new merge. Then move the nodes apart to keep your node tree clean. Now, select the final merge node and add a transform after it. Go to frame 30, add keyframes for X and Y, then move the image off screen by changing the X position. Open the spline editor, enable smoothing, and create a nice ease curve. This instantly makes the movement look much more professional. There's one small issue left: the logos are already visible before the character enters. To fix that, go to frame 32, select each logo and set its global in value to 32. Do this for every logo so they only appear after the character slides in. Finally, select the second transform node, add a keyframe for the angle, move forward about 10 frames, and rotate it slightly. Jump back into the spline editor one last time and give it a smooth ease curve. And that's it. You now have a clean, smooth fox-style animation made entirely in DaVinci Resolve.